start with exercise 2.4 linear equation word problem. Question number 1 says that Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 upon 2 from it. So in word problems we have to suppose that there is a number. So question number 1 we will write let the number be x, because it is written thinks of a number and then subtracts. So since there is a subtraction, subtracts 5 upon 2 from it, which means x minus 5 upon 2. Subtract 5 upon 2 from it, then multiplies. Next step says multiplies the result. So she is multiplying the result. So it means whatever is the answer of x minus 5 upon 2, it is multiplied by 8. So this becomes the first part, let the number be x. She subtracts 5 upon 2 from it, therefore x minus 5 upon 2. From this number you subtract 5 upon 2, then multiplies the answer of this by 8. So this is multiplied by 8. The result now obtained is, now you have to make the equation. It says whatever is the result, now the result obtained means whatever is the number which you get after this, the result obtained means 8 multiplied by x minus 5 upon 2. This, when you multiply, the result obtained is equal to 3 times the same number she thought of. 3 times means 3 times the number she has thought of. So she has thought of x, therefore it will become 3x. So let the number be x, subtract 5 upon 2, x minus 5 upon 2, multiply the number by 8 means x minus 5 upon 2 into 8. Now the result obtained is 8 into x minus 5 upon 2 gives 3 times the number. So it becomes, the equation becomes 8 into x minus 5 upon 2 is equal to 3x. Now you will solve like you solve any normal equation. You can take LCM of this, or you can multiply first and then solve. So if I multiply, it will become 8x minus 40 upon 2 is equal to 3x. Now you can solve, it will become 8x minus, this can divide 40 upon 2, it will become 20 is equal to 3x. Now it is simple, bring the number on one side, minus 3x is equal to, see, keeping is equal to on one side, 20 will come on the right side, it will become plus 20. 8 minus 3 is 5, so x is equal to 20 divided by 5. Answer is 4. So in the end you will write the number which you have supposed was x. So you can write the number is equal to 4. This is your answer. Now exercise 2.4 question number 3. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number. So this question involves a 2-digit number and it is given that it has 2 digits. So 2 digits means it will have a number at the ones place and a number at the tens place. Okay, tens place and ones place, and when you add the two numbers, the result is 9. So we will suppose either ones number or tens number. So I will suppose, let the ones place be x. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number. So one digit I have supposed. Now I will get the next digit, that is the tens number. So since the ones place is x, tens digit, what will be the 10th digit? The 10th digit means the number which you add 1 and 10, the total is if you add the two numbers, ones number and tens number, the total is 9. So tens digit will be 9 minus x. Now why is it 9 minus x? Because we have supposed ones number and tens number will be, because if you take it like this, tens number plus ones number is equal to 9. If I suppose let the ones place number be x and this is equal to 9, then what will be this number? This number we don't know. So this number will come if I subtract 9 minus x. It is like if I have this number and this number I don't know, then the total is given. So it is like tens number is not given. If I take an example, this number is not given, this number is given 3, and the sum is equal to 9. There are two numbers, tens place and ones place. If I add them, the total is 9. Then what will be this number? So how will you get this number? It will come 9 minus 3. So since it is 9 minus 3, in the same way it will become 9 minus x. Okay. Now since it is a two-digit number, it will have tens place and ones place. Therefore now we will write, this is an example. Therefore now we will write the number. The number, how will you write a two-digit number? Two-digit number is some example. This is an example you see. If there is a number 73, how do you write 73? You will multiply 10 into 7 plus 3. You have done in junior class expanded notation. This rule we will apply in this question also. The number at the tens place will be multiplied by 10. Like I have multiplied 7 with 10 and added 3. So you will multiply the tens number, that is 9 minus x, with 10 and add x. Why it is this? See this example. 73 is a number. 73 is written as 10 into 7 plus 3. So 10 into 7 is 70 and plus 3 73. In the same way, this number is having 10 into 9 minus x plus x. Now when you solve, it will become, now this is a linear equation which is having variables, so we will have to simplify this. Till here I think you have understood. Now solve 10 into 9, the equation will become 90 minus 10x plus x. Now combine the like terms, it will become 90 minus 9x. This will become your first number, but it is not a number, it is just an equation. Now the second part of the question, when we interchange the digits. Now interchange the digits means the next part of the question says interchange. Now interchange the digits. Interchange means now the ones place and tens place will be changed. Now ones place will become 9 minus x and tens place will become x. We have interchanged the number. Now keeping this example in mind, we will again multiply new number. Now your new number will become, like we have got this, so we will get here 10 will be multiplied with x now, and plus 9 minus x. The new number will have tens place multiplied by 10 and the ones place number will be added. These are the interchange numbers. Earlier they were this, now they have changed. Now we will simplify, it will become 10x plus 9 minus x. It will become 10x minus x will become 9x plus 9. So 9x plus 9 is your new number which is interchanged. Now this is interchange number. So after this we have to solve the third step of the question. Before that, let's quickly revise. The ones place is x, tens digit is 9 minus x. Why it is 9 minus x? I have explained here. See, if there is a two-digit number and the sum of the digits is 9, example is number if this number is not given but 3 is given and 9 is given, how will you get this number? 9 minus 3 6. So how do you get 6 here? It will come by subtracting 3. In the same way x will also come, this number will come by doing 9 minus x. Now the ones place is x, 10th digit is 9 minus x. The number is written in this form now, in expanded notation form, 10 into 7 plus 3. This is an example. In the same way you will do 10 into 9 minus x plus x. 10 into 9 will become 90, 10 into x will become 10x plus x. This is simplified and we get the first equation. The next part of the question says that interchange the number. Now interchange means the ones and the tens place position is changed. X becomes 10 and 9 minus x becomes 1. So ones place is this and tens place is x. Now new number will have 10 into tens place number plus ones place number. So 10 is multiplied with x and ones place is added, and then you simplify, it will give you the second equation. So these are the two equations which we get. Now we have to continue the next part. The next part of the question says, when we interchange the digits, so we have interchanged the digits, it is found that the resulting new number, so we had got one number as 90 minus 9x. This was the first equation or the first number, and on interchanging we got 9x plus 9 as the second number. Now the question says, it is found that the new number, this is new. Now new number is greater than the original number. So the new minus, this is the original number. Original means in the beginning. So new minus original is equal to 27. So this makes the equation 9x plus 9 minus the original number 90 minus 9x. So new number is greater than the original number by 27. So this becomes the second equation, the final equation, which we will simplify. When you solve, it will become 9x plus 9 minus 90 plus 9x is equal to 27. Now simplify, 9x and 9x will simplify, it will become 18x. 90 and 9 will become 81 is equal to 27. Now it is simple. When you solve, it will give you the value of x. 18x is equal to 27 plus 81, and 18x is equal to 108, and x is equal to 108 upon 18, which gives x is equal to 6. In the end we get x is equal to 6, which gives us the first part which we supposed. So in the beginning we had supposed ones place. So ones place is x is equal to 6. Tens place was 9 minus x. 9 minus x means 9 minus 6, which gives us 3. So we get the ones place and the tens place. So if ones place is this and tens place is this, then what was the number? So we know that the tens place and the ones place are written like this. Ones place we have found as 6 and the tens place we have found as 3. So the number is 36. It means the original number was 36 and new number interchanged. This we don't have to find, but let's see. If we interchange the place, bring the change the place, 6 will come here, 3, so it will become 63. And it is given that the new number and the original number 63 minus 36 gives you 27. So it is verified. Okay, so the question is verified. We got the original number as 36 and the interchange number as 63. So this verifies our answer is correct.